WLET Channel 13 in New York, and subsequently she went on to host a public affairs program, The Thursday Report. She produces news and public events for over a decade before moving on into the public sector. Loretta Brennan has been involved in philanthropy efforts for more than 2 decades, focusing on education, the arts, healthcare, and peace initiative in both the United States and Ireland, a passion that she shared with her late husband, Lou Glucksman. She's Chairman Emeritus of the Irish Fund in America. She served for 18 years spearheading the Promising Ireland campaign that exceeded in its initial goal of raising 100 million and ultimately went on to exceed the revised target of 200 million. She's the co-chair of Glucksman Irish House, founded in 1993, the Centre for Irish Studies at New York University. She serves on the Board of Education and Science at NYU and is chairman of the University of Limerick Foundation and a long-time staunch supporter of FACES, that's Finding a Cure for Epilepsy and Seizures, which is affiliated with the New York University Langone Medical. Herself and her husband established the Glucksman Chair of English and American Letters at NYU and the Glucksman Chair of Irish and Scottish Studies at the University of Aberdeen. In 2002, they looked towards Cork. University College Cork officially opened the Lewis Glucksman's Gallery in 2001, and she has established the MAP Conservation Liberty at Trinity College Dublin. And in 1998, they helped build the Glucksman Library at the University of Limerick. She has served on numerous boards in Ireland. She has worked tirelessly to promote Irish culture and to establish strong ties between America and the island of Ireland. She has served as a special, strong advocate for Ireland at a pivotal and difficult time in Irish history, increasing awareness and interest in Irish history and culture through the United States and rallying much needed support for the country. She has 3 children, John Cooney, Christopher Cooney, and Kate Cooney Pico, 5 grandchildren, Adam, Megan, Kathleen, Liam, and Sean, and 4 grandchildren. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my esteemed privilege to introduce to you the 2018 Grand Marshal for the City of New York St. Patrick's Day Parade. Will you please put your hands together for Loretta Brennan Glucksman?
I've been pinching myself since January of 17, when this grand adventure started with a conversation with Hillary and Sean. And nights like tonight just make the pinching more necessary. I am humbled, and that's not a cliche, by this experience. And I thank each and every one of you. I'm learning a lot through this adventure, and I know it will enrich me for the rest of my life. And it has already enriched my wonderful family. They are so excited. I hope that you continue to keep your energy high and do this for generations to come. It is the cohesive force of our very precious Irish American community. Please don't flag. We need you. The world needs this community, just as a demonstration that it is possible. It can really happen with people of goodwill. Enjoy yourselves. I'll see you on the 17th, please God. Thank you all. God bless.
Thank you very much. Your Grand Marshal for 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hear it for her. Loretta Brennan Glucksman. I just want to say congratulations to all of the aides. It's going to be a great day for the aides as well. It's going to be a great day for the families. You'll be a little tired by the 18th. Hopefully it won't snow that day. I said hopefully it won't. And I always leave you with one message before I go. And tonight I'm going to definitely give you a message because you have been so kind. You've been a very kind audience. As you march up 5th Avenue, be very careful where you scratch because our cameras are on you all the time. Salaam alaikum. Enjoy March. Enjoy the 17th. God bless you all. Take care.